Hello handbag lovers, I'm here with an unboxing. As you can see, this is another Gucci unboxing and I'm very excited to open her up. So let's get started and dig right in. I love the new Gucci print on the boxes. Here she is, as you can see, it is a small leather good. And here's the card. And let's see what's inside the card. So we have the usual thank you for shopping, information on returns, the return sticker, and then I made a little note to myself and I said, be still and know. So here is the box. Let's get right into it. I love the little cover. Looks like it's almost like a burlap material, but softer. Move this out of the way. Here's a little care instructions. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? This is the Gucci Horsebit 1955 card case wallet, and she is in the Ken Scott floral print. It's the print that really got me excited about this little piece. I wanted to also get a key case, but they don't have the key cases in this print, unfortunately. You may have seen a prior video where I got this case in red leather, and if not, I will attach the video where I opened up that red leather card case that also had a matching key case. So unfortunately, no matching key case. So let's open this up. How pretty is this print and this color? I certainly wish they had more small leather goods because I think she will go with a lot of different items. Okay, so this is the inside. You can see it has an inside zip pocket with a very smooth zipper. Look how smooth that is. She has two card cases on the front, or two card slots on the front. She has a snap closure with the gold hardware. Very stunning. And the gold hardware on the snap closure. You can see it does have the Gucci Made in Italy embossing. Also very cute. On this side, she has 3 additional card slots. 1, 2, 3. And she also has a inside pocket for cash. The case is made of leather and it's in the fuchsia color. It has a viscose lining in the inside and it looks like that's red. So very cute wallet. Closed, she's 4 and 3 inches in width, 3 by 3 in height, and 1.2 inches in depth. Open, she opens to 6 by 9 in height. So very cute, small leather good. Cannot wait to wear her. Wish that Gucci would make other small leather goods to match this beautiful Ken Scott fuchsia floral print. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you can see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Have a great day.